Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can cut video in Premiere Pro. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So here you can see that I already select a video in Premiere Pro. So how you can cut that, you simply need to click on C and you can see razor icon. You simply need to cut the video part that you want, and let me select the part. So here you can see that I cut a video part, and now I'm going to show you the second method. You simply need to go on to the video part and go on to the end, and here you can see a red option by holding that you can easily, here you can see, cut a video like this. You can do from the head as well like this. So here you can see that. So this is the easy process by which you can cut video in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.